What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Asa Studio. Today we're in Photoshop and just a few questions. Have you ever been in a place where you want to use an image for commercial service or for an advert, and you can't just use the image just because there are colors that are in there you want to get rid of, but you can't? All right, so this is a tutorial for you because in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get rid of colors you don't want, and so you could use the image for whatever advert you want to use it for. All right, so let's get started. Now this is a part we all know that, and it's stained with the red color, and we want a plain color, and we just don't want to use any other image, but this is the image we just feel like using, but the color red is actually making it impossible. Just don't want to get over the image because the color there is what is making you not want to use it. Okay, so now the thing you're going to do to get rid of the red stain is what I want to show you. So let's get started. The first thing, we need to find a way of selecting the red color itself. So we're going to duplicate the layer twice, and while we're duplicating it twice, I want to make the color thicker than the background, so and darker, so that it's easy for us to select. So change the first blending mode of the first image to multiply, and change the second one also to multiply, and then it's now dark. Go to select color range and then select, let's take this side, zoom in, hold down shift, make sure you hold down shift and select all the colors that are there. So just like that, and I'm going to zoom out, and for this we'll select colors, and then just clicking all over and then selecting colors. Now that we have it, we can increase the fuzziness. We have it like this, and then we can click OK. Now selecting OK is going to make a selection of that side, and we're going to go ahead and use this adjustment, layer, hue, and saturation, and automatically it's going to create a mask for it. We'll get rid of these two layers now, 1 and 2, and now hold down Alt and select the mask layer for our piece. Okay, so this is what you need to do. First of all, select the brush tool, make sure your foreground color and background color is black and white, and we want to hide it from this area. So make the brush bigger. When you make the brush bigger, you come here to resize and hardness. We're going to increase all the way up. So now let's look at it. Make black and background color and hide. So this is once. Shift this, make and hide. So something like this. Okay, now I'm going to change the blending mode to color bond or linear bond, whichever one, or let's say color dodge. Okay, now make the background color white and paint this and paste this. So something like this. Right, so now change it back normal. It's X, let's hide it. Sorry, X, let's hide it. Just want to get rid of the color. So that's okay. Hit the X button and hold down Shift Alt and click on this one. Hold down Alt and click on that. Now open up the hue and saturation, zoom in, and first thing first, let's try and match the two colors together with the hue and saturation and light. First thing, I'm going to do saturate that. Let's increase the lightness that, and we could measure the hue, rates, measure the hue, and let's make something like that. So we're not just going to saturate everything. We want some color so we can use the hue and saturation. Okay, so there we go. Now notice I didn't desaturate everything. If not, it's going to be like this and it's going to be different. So I left it at somewhere around 65, just where you could find the color the same with that of the pad. And let's increase the lightness a bit more to the end, and let's see where something like this and like this. Okay, so this is okay for me. Now when it's okay, and you can see the before and then the after. All right, so now you can be able to use it. You create a stem visible layer, Control Shift and E, and you perform some frequency separation. So for me to do that, it's very easy. Just duplicate it twice and do the frequency separation. Hold on color, hit enter, small texture, then we pass with this texture, hit pass, hit enter, close this, select color layer, filter, blur, caution blur, and explode, wherever so something like that. It's okay. On the texture layer, select the texture layer, go to image, apply image, and same thing, select the color under the edge, subtract, okay, and change the blending mode to linear light, and then we go. On the color layer, I'm going to select the laser tool brush, and then I'm just going to increase the size of the brush and blend those colors together to have something in the form. Okay, so make it bigger, then the colors. Right, blend the colors together. And this, I'm going to pass it, and then there we go down. Okay, so taking time. I finished using the blend tool, color stamp tool, and it's very easy. You want to make this place look like this place. That's easy to do. So let's take it up, zoom in, and then we're going to copy. After selecting the close down tool, hold down Alt, turn off the align layer, hold down Alt, select this part, and then click on it like this. Just click on it. Come on. Alt, click, cover, pause. Move it out, and same as this side. Down Alt, and just apply some frequency solution. Okay. So part. And go close. Let's take 10 this in layer. You can see that it's kind of little different. Let's go ahead again, saturation again, and that I'm going to go to filter and select the range, and let's select that color range. Now select the color range with this. So we have that. I'm going to decrease the colors, and then we can have this one, and then click OK. Now if we change, let's change. We increase the lightness, and there we go. Now everything is blended. We decrease saturation, like, and make it look more like the blue color. And Shift Control and E to create a stem visible layer. And I'm gonna group everything together, and let's turn on the before and then the after, before and after. So how easy for us to do. So if you learn one or two things, kindly let me know in the comment section, share the video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. See you next video.